Hi, I'm Don Bone with Agilicus, where we believe any user should be able to use any application from any device securely, simply, without a VPN. And today we're going to talk about two-factor authentication. So we all understand that multi-factor authentication is the cheapest, simplest thing we can do that increases security a lot. That's got the best ratio of cost to reward. And we all focus on the top 10 or 15 applications of our organization, whether it's Office 365 or the accounting package or things to do with money. And then, we pat ourselves in the back and we say, okay, mission accomplished. We've got, the first 20, 30% that represent 80% of the usage. But then we're left with a big pile of the rest. And what do we do about the rest? Some of them have built-in identities. Some of them don't participate in modern identity management, SAML or OpenID Connect. Others, you're just not sure. It may be that you can enable multi-factor, but you don't know how, or it's not worth the effort. What if I told you there was a way with our system that you could just instantly and immediately enable multi-factor authentication via a reverse authenticating proxy on the rest? You'd be compliant on day one. It would help you with your insurance. Maybe you're struggling to get that renewed, your cyber insurance, because you don't have multi-factor rolled out everywhere. We can just get it done quickly, right away, on the other 80%, get you to 100% compliance. You want to learn more? Email us, info@agilicus.com, or check out our website. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.